Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you a new addition to my bag collection. Recently I shopped from a brand called Zouk because I love their aesthetic and unique design. They have a wide variety of different kinds of bags like travel bag, handbags and backpacks. So my package arrived today and I thought we should take a first look at it together. This is my Zouk Mughal motif hobo bag. It's a moon-shaped shoulder bag. I was drawn towards this bag because of its vintage design. The shape is slightly unique and trendy at the same time. I love these colors together, brown, black and cream. So as you can see, it has a brown leather piping, brown strap and the base. It also has a braid-like detail in the same material on the front. The rest of the bag is made of this jute-like handmade fabric with black motifs. It has a single main compartment and the inside is lined with brown waterproof fabric. On the back there is one more compartment. The zips are of silver color and they feel quite sturdy. They have Zouk written on them. So as you can see, the inside of the bag is very spacious. I can easily carry all my essentials in this. Looks like it can easily fit in my wallet. A sunscreen, my hand cream, compact, a lip balm, my lipstick, a scrunchie, a bottle of rose water, my keys, my comb, a hand sanitizer, very important, and of course my phone. As you can see, there is still a lot of space. This is how I would style my bag. It's a great option to carry with both casual, ethnic and western wear. This kurta is quite contemporary with this bag, is looking very nice with it. On the website, the model was carrying it with the sari also, so that's an option too. It's really comfortable on the shoulder and easy to carry. A cute plain top like this complements this bag well. The print and design stand out and it looks trendy. So guys, that's all about my new bag from Zouk. I'm so happy to tell you that all their bags are made from vegan leather. You can use my discount code to get 15% off on the Zouk website. You should definitely check them out if you are looking for a good quality and beautiful bag. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. We'll meet you with another video. Till then, bye and take care.